given the number of reserved seats proportional to what it has won. How do you determine that? Well, look at the Form A of the parent statute. But you see, I think proviso is the exception. But आप proviso के आपने अभी पढ़ा हमारे सामने, I think you are perhaps, speaking for myself, not paying enough attention to the opening words of the proviso. उसको पढ़ें जरा.
हाँ, बिल्कुल सही. Provided that for the purpose of this
paragraph. You see, the thing is that someone who is truly an independent, who fills in a form saying, I don't belong to any political party, in the life of the National Assembly, at any time he can join a political party. At any time. Right? What the proviso is saying is, for the purposes of this paragraph, paragraph D, that if there are independents in the House, right, within those 3 days, if they join a particular political party, then the proportionality will be tipped. This is the only permissible tipping. But if 6 months later, 1 year later, enough independents, suppose, join that political party to have tipped the balance, that is not going to count. The purpose of the proviso is to lock it in. For the purposes of this paragraph, it does not bar an independent from subsequent. That's got nothing to do with it. It's saying for the purposes of this paragraph because the proviso recognizes that it is creating an exception and allowing for the balance to be tipped. Therefore, it has the opening words for the purposes of this paragraph, not for any other purpose, and the closing words within 3 days. So that seems to me to reconcile why the proviso, for whatever reason, it's been put in there, probably to encourage maybe independents to join political parties and therefore to give further effect to the salient feature of the Constitution, parliamentary democracy based on political parties, to eliminate, if I may use that word, the independents roaming around. But the question of who is an independent, can the Election Commission create a category out of the air because it so finds it convenient, or because for whatever purpose, or is it bound by the Constitution? Is it bound by the parent statute? They have the record. These people filed nomination forms as candidates of PTI. They fought that election on that basis. They were returned on that basis. ECB says no, they are independent. Arey bhai, kahan se? Simply because judgment of the Supreme Court. That's a very dangerous interpretation, but we'll hear ECB counsel on that.
यहाँ हम इस presumption पे कर रहे हैं कि ये all are the PTI candidates, but facts are not so. Some of them filed papers as Tehreek Insaf Nazariyati. They claimed the symbol of batsman. Thereafter they withdrew and said that we are the independent candidates.
Sir, मैं explain करूँगा ये point.
All are not by the PTI.
मैं आपको explain करूँगा कि ये क्या हुआ है.
मतलब we all know, देखिए we all know what क्या हुआ है. आप facts पे जरा focus कर लें.
जी, मैं पहले interpretation पे, फिर मैं इसका जवाब जरूर दूंगा, क्योंकि ये Justice Hasan Azhar Rizvi ने भी raise किया, मैं इसका जवाब दूंगा.
इस interpretation पे सिद्दीकी साहब, जैसे
सर मैं अगर 2 पैराग्राफ अपने पढ़ दूं, वो clear हो जाएगा जो मुझे कहना है.
जैसे my lord Justice Munif साहब ने बात की, उसको supplement करते हुए 67 section है, उसका सब clause 3 है, वो clearly define किया कि who is independent, who is party supported candidate. इसमें जो लफ्ज लिखा है constitution में secured or won by the parties, basically the party election नहीं लड़ती, उसके candidates लड़ते हैं. The candidate to whom party has provided certificate, this is party's candidate. तो ये इख्तियार election commission के पास कहाँ से आ गया कि वो दो अफराद के बीच में जो एग्रीमेंट है पार्टी और कैंडिडेट के दरमियान में कि मैं आपका सर्टिफिकेट लेना चाहता हूं और पार्टी मुझे सर्टिफिकेट दे, दिस इज एग्रीमेंट बिटवीन 2 parties, नोबडी कैन टेक अवे दैट एग्रीमेंट. उसके तहत तो ये जो कैंडिडेट्स जिसने एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट सबमिट की है 67(3) ऑफ द एक्ट क्लियरली सेज, पढ़ें जरा 3 में, a candidate not nominated by political party,
section
67(3) इसमें तो दोनों डिफाइंड है. अब आप मजीद इसमें
candidate not subsection 3
3. A candidate not nominated.
not nominated by any political parties hereinafter called an independent candidate.
बात क्लियर हो गई कि वो इंडिपेंडेंट वो है जिसको पार्टी ने डिक्लेयर नहीं किया और जिसको सर्टिफिकेट मिला वो पार्टी कैंडिडेट है. दैट्स ऑल.
सर हमने ये सारे पॉइंट्स रेज किए. अब मैं आपको वो भी दिखा दूंगा.
तो why sorry अब आप कह रहे हैं ना हम again you have a conflict of interest. I'll tell you how you have a conflict of interest. You can either elect to argue PTI's case or you can argue the Sunni Ittihad Council case. And if you say they're interchangeable, they are not so.
Sir, there is no conflict.
There is a huge conflict.
Sir, वो मैं explain करूँ.
No, here the question you don't know where is the conflict. I'll tell you where the conflict is. These independents, PTI candidates, they were certainly not your candidates. That's settled. We agree on that. Correct?
जी बिल्कुल.
You agree on that?
जी.
Why did they join you? We didn't tell them to do. Election Commission didn't tell them to do. That was a.
I'll explain.
No, explain कुछ भी हो सकता है. We have to see the
Sir, जिस लेवल की मिसइंटरप्रिटेशन हुई है आपकी जजमेंट की, आप देखिएगा.
फैसल सिद्दीकी साहब जी. Here the question.
जी.
If somebody misinterprets something, if somebody is wrong, you don't have to follow that course. You have to follow the constitutional course. Let me finish. Save your expressions also.
नहीं, sir.
I just want to, so you can understand the thing. We are here interpreting a constitutional provision of the Constitution. We are not here to hear कितनी ज़्यादती की election commission ने या उसने. हम देखना चाह रहे हैं कि आइन क्या कहता है. सिंपल सी बात है. अब आइन अगर हम ये प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन की बात लेके चलें, ठीक, then suppose not this case, any other case, 50 candidates choose not to join any party. So the balance is then tilted, I use the word with all its ramifications, in favor of the subsisting political parties, because you had started your submissions by saying that the House has to be full. That's the opening words of the article under consideration. So naturally it will be tilted. They have to do this act within a period of 3 days. So there will be a tilt if independents don't join it or elect to join it on the 4th day, for instance, or any day thereafter. The House will be tilted in favor of a political party. And we can say, what is the ethos of this? The ethos of this is strengthen political parties at the expense of individuals. You can say that. That's a perfectly valid interpretation. If you want to use the word progressive, let's go by that word too. It also is in the scheme of things. What you have done, with the greatest of respect, I think muddled the case yourself. By first joining one Nazariyati, then joining Sunni Ittihad Council, who you represent now. You don't represent the candidates before us. You are one petitioner before us. There are not all the petitioners. You represent Sunni Ittihad Council. Would you be happy if all these candidates left you? You have to say no. Otherwise, you are how can you not say no? Every political party would want their ranks to be enlarged.
So victims have no choices. In this country, victims have no choices.
देखिए सियासी बातें आपको करना है.
No, it's not a सियासी बात. मैं आपको facts से दिखाऊंगा.
In this country, you have no things. Everybody, yes, every judge has a thing. There have been great judges who have resigned on matters of principle. They have refused to take the PCO. So please don't take the line of the coward who says, I have no
22
option.
तारीख जो लास्ट डे है रिजर्व सीट जमा करवाने का, उस दिन हमारा सिंबल ले लेते हैं. 13 तारीख जो लास्ट डे सिंबल देने का, उस दिन
सिद्दीकी साहब, when you say मेरा सिंबल ले लेते हैं, you are Sunni Ittihad Council. Try to remember
my lord,
that.
I'll show that there is no but let me just finish my
आपका सिंबल है क्या वैसे जी? सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल का
घोड़ा है.
तो आपका तो नहीं लिया, ले लिया.
सर आई विल एक्सप्लेन. मैं पहले इसकी इंटरप्रिटेशन खत्म करूं.
अगर सिद्दीकी साहब, अगर ये कैंडिडेट्स जितने भी आपके में शामिल हुए, अगर ये आजाद ना होते जी, तो आपकी पार्टी में शामिल होते?
नहीं जाहिर बात ही नहीं शामिल होता।
तो ये तो आजाद नहीं थे। किसने
सर आजाद थे, इनको इलेक्शन कमीशन ने आजाद कर दिए।
You're mixing up the two things.
अगर वो बात आप समझते हैं उनका ऑर्डर गलत था, विदाउट ज्यूरिसडिक्शन था, इलीगल था, आपको किसने रोका था कि आप
सर वो सलमान साहब एक्सप्लेन करेंगे क्योंकि उन्होंने अपील फाइल की।
You were to read that
उन्होंने भी पूरी अपील नहीं की।
जी
वो
सर,
जरा
I'll just read, but I'll come to this. This is very important.
You must come, लेकिन वो अपना वो पूरा कर लेंगे आप।
ये वन एंड सिक्योर्ड का किस तरह मतलब? The words secure and one have to be understood within a purposive interpretation of the Constitution. No interpretation can be assigned to these words which converts the proportional representation system into a disproportionate representational system. So you cannot give it a literal meaning if that means that parties who have a certain representation in parliament get more than their representation.
I just told
can't
you an
do that.
example. If the party, if independents don't want to join it, they will be tilted.